Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining today's video. Today I will be showing you guys how I turned some old vases that I thrifted at Goodwill into faux stone vessels, kind of like what you see at high-end stores like RH and Pottery Barn. I will also be showing you guys how I created some unique textures for the more organic look, so let's go ahead and get started. Some materials that you'll be needing are a paint color of your choice. I decided to go with this light neutral stone looking color. I also grabbed some of this chalk paint, which I did not need after all, so I'll probably be using that for my next DIY. Some small craft sponges and a brush, and you'll also need a small bowl and some mixing sticks. I also forgot to add in baking soda, so you'll need some of that as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and start by mixing in some paint and baking soda. There's really no exact measurements. You'll just want to keep mixing in some baking soda to thicken your paint so it's not too runny when applying your first coat. So you're just going to start by applying the mixture to your vessels. It doesn't have to be perfect since we will be giving it another coat when adding texture. Once you've completed applying the first coat and let it dry for about 2 hours, you're going to apply some more paint and baking soda mixture, but this time you'll be adding a bit more baking soda than the first time so that you're able to get it to a gritty consistency and create texture. Now for the smallest vessel, I did want to give it a more unique look, so I'll be hand smearing some of the leftover mixture, and I really loved how it turned out. I was going for more of the aged distressed look, and to finish it off, I decided to rub in some coffee grounds, which turned out really well.
have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're going don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to
And that is it, guys. I really loved how they turned out. I hope you do too. If you decide to create some of your own faux vessels, please share them with me. I would love to see what you all create. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It'll really help my channel out. And please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.